let's talk about creating a chart template. Now we can see there's customizations that we can do to this chart. And we don't want to have to repeat all of those customizations every time we need a chart. Therefore, Crystal Reports allows us to create and save some formatting options as a template. Now our file is open here, right? And we have this chart at the top. Now I'm actually going to make a change to this chart. Notice where the legend is, right? And there's no data labels. So I'm going to go into the chart itself, the chart expert, and across the top, under options, the legend I want to be to the bottom. And I want values in the chart. Now the risers, the bar size, we're going to make it average. And we're going to say OK, so we can see the changes. Now with it selected, I'm going to right click and I'm going to save as a template. That didn't take long to save it as a template. Now, when you save it as a template, you must know that it is going to be saved under your profile. So if you have moved around to a different computer and Crystal Reports is installed, it should follow you around if you have roaming user profiles. And again, to do that, it was just a right click and save as a template. Now what are we going to call this? We're going to call this particular one financial charts. And we're going to save that. Now, we're going to come right out of here and not save this. We're going to open it up again and go to Design. Now you will notice where the legend is and the risers. We're not using that template. So I'm just going to select it. I'm going to right click and I'm going to load a template. Now it's got to go off and find it. And there's our user defined, and there's the one that we just created. And I'm going to say OK. And the template has been applied. And that's the end of Activity 7.